Dear children, in the last video we saw Prospero, who is the rightful Duke of Milan, stands outside his cave with his daughter Miranda, watching the storm. Miranda pities the seafarers, saying that she suffered with those whom she saw suffering. She pleads her father to calm the waters by using his magical powers. Prospero assures her and tells her that the shipwreck has not injured anyone, and he begins to tell the story of her childhood. Let's see what happens next. Prospero says, 12 years since Miranda, 12 years since. Since here means ago. 12 years ago, Miranda, 12 years ago. Thy father was the Duke of Milan. Your father was the Duke of Milan. And a prince of power. Power here means authority. And he was a prince with great power. Means I had full authority. Miranda, sir, are not you my father? She gets confused and she asks, sir, aren't you my father? Prospero says, thy mother was a piece of virtue. Piece means model. Your mother was good and honest, and she said, thou wast my daughter. And she said, you were my daughter. And thy father was Duke of Milan. And your father was Duke of Milan. And his only heir and princess, and you were only his heir, a princess. No verse issued of the same noble birth as her parents. Then Miranda says, oh the heavens, oh my God, what foul play had we, what crimes were committed against us, that we came from thence. Thence means there. That we came from there and ended up here. Or blessed was it we did? Or was our coming here a blessing? Prospero says both my girl. Both my girl means it was both. Means there was somebody who committed crime against us, and it was a blessing for us to leave that place that time and come here to this place. By foul play, as thou sayest, we were forced from our old positions by crimes, as you call them, were we heaved thence. Heaved means removed. By a plot we were removed from Milan, but blessedly holp hither. But we were blessed in the help we received that allowed us to end up here. Miranda, oh my heart bleeds to think of the teen that I have turned you to. She says, oh, it breaks my heart to think about the trouble that I must have caused you, which is from my remembrance, that I don't remember. Please you further. Please continue. Prospero says, my brother and thy uncle called Antonio. My brother, your uncle, whose name is Antonio, then he must have noticed something, that Miranda is not paying attention, or she was looking at somewhere else. So he says, I pray thee, I pray you, I beg you, mark me, listen carefully. That a brother should be so perfidious. Perfidious means treacherous. He says, oh, how could a brother be so treacherous? He whom next thyself of all the world I loved. And he was the person whom I loved more than anyone else in the world other than you. And to him put the manage of my state. I trusted him to manage Milan, where I ruled. As at that time, through all the signories, it was the first. Signories means dukedom. And what is it here? Milan. Prospero says, as at that time, through all the signories, it was the first. Means which at that time was the most powerful city. And Prospero the prime duke, and I, Prospero, was the most powerful duke. Being so reputed in dignity and was admired for my dignity. I was admired a lot for my dignity. And for the liberal arts without a parallel. Liberal arts means those subjects that were considered essential to know, that is grammar, logics, etc. Yes, so he says, because I spent all my time absorbed in studying secret topics. He says here, and for the liberal arts without a parallel, those being all my study. And my unmatched knowledge of the liberal arts, because I spent all the time absorbed in studying secret topics. So since I was involved much there with my books, so the government I cast upon my brother. I let my brother, I let Antonio, I let your uncle run the government and lost contact with my city, lost contact with my people. And to my state grew stranger. State here means government, administration. And to my own government I became a stranger. Being transported and wrapped in secret studies. Wrapped means wholly absorbed. Being carried away and fully absorbed in magical studies, thy false uncle, your lying uncle, dost thou attend me? Are you listening to me? Miranda says, sir, most heedfully. Yes, sir, very closely. Then Prospero says, being once perfected how to grant suits, means as soon as Antonio got the hang of how to grant some requests, how to deny them while denying others, who to advance and who to trash for overtopping. Trash means keep in check. He says who to advance and who to trash for overtopping, of figuring out which people to promote and which to hold back in order to stop them from getting too powerful. New created the creatures that were mine. New created. He was able to steal the people who used to be mine. I say, or changed them, or else new formed them. He changed them, or you might say, remade them completely, having both the key of officer and office, having the power over both the government and all the people in the government, set all the hearts in the state to what tune pleased his ear. He could make everyone say or do whatever he wanted them to do. That now he was the ivy which had hid my princely trunk. And ivy is what? An evergreen climbing plant. He was like ivy growing up a tree, and I was like the tree, and sucked my verdure out on it. Verdure means greenery. And he covered me entirely until I was hidden, and sucked my greenery, sucked my vitality out of me. Thou attendest, you are not listening. Miranda says, "Oh, good sir, I do. Oh, good sir, I am." Then Prospero says, "I pray thee, mark me. Please pay attention to me. I pray thee, I request you. I thus neglecting worldly ends. I neglected all things related to ordinary life or politics, all dedicated to closeness and bettering of my mind with that which, and dedicated myself entirely to seclusion in order to improve my knowledge of topics that have more value than is commonly believed. But by being so retired, but by cutting myself off from the world, overpriced all popular rate, overvalued the popular opinion, in my false brother awakened an evil nature, and I unknowingly awoke evil in the heart of my brother. And my trust, like a good parent, did beget of him a falsehood. Beget means produce. And like a good parent who raises a bad child, my trust in him produced the opposite effect. In its contrary, as great as my trust was, making him into a liar as big as my trust in him was, which had indeed no limit, and my trust in him had no limit. A confidence sans bound. Sans bound means without limit. He being thus lauded, now he established his own position of power, not only with what my revenue yielded, and he able to use all of my wealth, but what my power might else exact, and whatever wealth he could use my power to take for himself. Like one who having into truth by telling of it, he became like a man who told a lie for so long that he began to believe it was true. Made such a sinner of his memory to credit his own lie. And he became like a person who takes falsehood to be truth simply by constantly indulging in falsehood. He did believe he was indeed the Duke. He did believe. He began to believe he was actually the Duke. And as a result of being my substitute and acting as the royal Duke in public. Out of the substitution and executing the outward face of royalty, he became the Duke out of the result of being my substitute. With all prerogative, prerogative means privilege, with all the Duke's rights and powers. Hence his ambition growing, and his ambition this way began to grow. Dost thou hear? Are you listening, Miranda? Miranda says, "Of course I am listening, you father. Your tale, sir, would cure deafness. Your story would cure deafness. It's impossible not to hear it." Then Prospero says, "To have no screen between this part he played and him he played it for. He was playing the role of being the Duke, but to get rid of the last thing, separating the role he was playing from whom he was, He needs will be absolute Milan. He had to become the actual Duke of Milan. Me, poor man, my library was dukedom large enough. As for me, as far as I was concerned, poor fool that I was, my library was as large a dukedom as I wanted. Of temporal royalties, temporal means worldly. Having decided that I was unable to run or rule my city, confederates means he planned. So dry he was for sway, he became so thirsty for power that with the king of Naples to give him annual tribute, that he secretly allied with the king of Naples to get rid of me, and in return of that Antonio agreed to pay the king of Naples a certain amount of money every year, annually. Do him homage, to swear to obey him, subject his coronet to his crown. Coronet means small crown. Alright, inferior to one worn by the sovereign. So he says, subject his coronet to his crown, and to force his dukedom, and bend the dukedom yet unbowed, which had always been independent. Alas, poor Milan! Oh, poor Milan! To most ignoble stooping. Ignoble stooping means dishonorable bowing into the shameful position of being under Naples' control. So this much is enough for today, children. We will continue the scene in the next video. Thank you.